Initially, I joined because I wanted to further my education. And then when I found out about fire, I thought, well, you could make a few extra bucks and get other practical skills, and putting it on a resume is never a bad idea. So here I am.
It's given me the experience that I need and the qualifications, and I've been able to network.
I've been able to learn how to use a chainsaw, chipper, the jackhammer, and just all different kinds of tools that I would never expect myself to be using. And it's just been great, and I'm just glad to be able to gain this experience, to be able to further my career.
Yeah, the Writing Center's nice.
It is a non-residential center.
We do a lot of stuff in town, and then we come out here to like the national parks and stuff and help out and do what needs to be done. Helping other communities, not just people in Redding and Shasta County. This comes with a lot of benefits as well. Good work environment.
And out here it's more mountains and forests, so I like this kind of environment better.
Good overtime pay. I get schooling after work every day.
The AmeriCorps scholarships are a huge help, and I'm actually kind of grateful that they have that here at the C's.
There's a lot of good people that work there as well.
The CCC staff has been very helpful.
Our navigators, she's very helpful.
Any question I have regarding my resume or anything I have in regards to applying for certain agencies, she's my go-to person, and if she can't find an answer, she'll find someone who can.
Things that like other jobs I don't think have, She's helping us put a good step forward into our careers.
It definitely entails the hard work and miserable conditions, but it's worth being able to gain all this experience and knowledge that you wouldn't be able to gain in a classroom.
Come see for yourself, see what they're about. I didn't know initially what they're about. I think they got a good mission here.
So there's multiple things that you can do within the C's. All in all, it is a good stepping stone to a better career path.